Hello friends, welcome. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this question. We have been given that if A, B and C are the sides of a triangle ABC such that x square minus 2 into A plus B plus C into x plus 3 lambda into AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0 has real roots, then we have to find out what is lambda. Lambda will be greater than some value, or lambda will be between a range, or basically lambda will be less than a value. So let me repeat that. We have been given a triangle ABC. Capital A, capital B, capital C are the vertices. So small a, small b, small c are the lengths of the sides opposite to that. So BC is small a, AB is small c, and AC is little b or small b. We have been given a quadratic equation x square minus 2 into a plus b plus c into x plus 3 lambda into ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. We have been told that this is having real roots. Now what we know about a quadratic equation to have real roots? What is the condition it has to satisfy? We know that is b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. If it is greater than or equal to 0, discriminant b square minus 4ac from the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then discriminant is given by d equal to b square minus 4ac, which should be greater than or equal to 0. Now let's find out what is our ABC values here. What is the value of a? A is equal to 1 x square. B is equal to minus of 2 into a plus b plus c. And what's the value of c here? C value is this whole thing, 3 lambda into AB plus BC plus CA. We said the condition to be satisfied is b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. So let us substitute these values now. B square, can I write down 4 into a plus b plus c whole square, because minus 2 whole square is 4 and a plus b plus c whole square is a plus b plus c whole square, minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is 3 lambda, multiply with ab plus bc plus ca. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Now what we will do now, we see here AB plus BC plus CA and we have A plus B plus C whole square. So let us expand this, use the identity of A plus B plus C whole square so that we can simplify this. So the next step will be 4 into A square plus B square plus C square. Maybe before that I'll just take out B on both sides because that will make it easy for us. Okay, let us strike out 4. This 4 and this 4 is gone. So we have now only a plus b plus c whole square minus of 3 lambda into ab plus bc plus ca greater than or equal to 0. So can I write it down now as a square plus b square plus c square, that's a first part, minus of 2 into ab plus bc plus ca minus 3 lambda into AB plus BC plus CA is greater than or equal to 0. Now I can take AB plus BC plus CA common, so I can write down next step as A square plus B square plus C square is greater than or equal to 3 lambda plus 2, and I can take common AB plus BC plus CA. So, or can I change it and say 3 lambda plus 2 is less than or equal to a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca. So this is where we are stuck up now. So basically if we look at the solutions, in the solutions we have integers or fractions, rational numbers there, but we are end up with a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca. So we have to get a value which is more than a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca value can be. So how to understand that? For that we'll go back to the fundamentals. We have been given that ABC are vertices of a triangle. What we know by that? We know that a minus b is less than c. We know that b minus c is less than a. And we also know that c minus a is less than b. Now what we will do, we'll square this up. If I square it, I will have a square plus b square minus 2ab is less than c square. Similarly, b square plus c square minus 2bc is less than a square. Similarly, c square plus a square minus 2ca or 2ac is less than b square. Now let's add this up and simplify this. If we move 2ab to that side and get c square to this side, what will happen? Let us check that. A square plus b square minus c square is less than 2ab. Similarly, the next one will be, we'll try to finish it here, b square plus c square minus a square is less than 2bc, and c square plus a square minus b square is less than 2ac. Now we sum this up, what will happen? C square will cancel, b square and b square will cancel, a square is cancel. What is left out from this all, whatever we have done, is a square plus b square plus c square is less than 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Or can I say a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca is less than 2. So this is where we arrived, because we want to find out a value which is more than this. So now I can go back, and I can go back now and say that there is a small mistake here. Let me just fix that. I don't want to edit this video. This is here. This is where I think I made a mistake. A plus b plus c whole square formula. So this guy will become minus. This will become minus. Let's put it there, minus. And here also we will have minus. That's a, as usual, I'm dumb sometimes. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus c. I think we are pretty good to go now. Okay, fine. And we found out that 3 lambda minus 2 is less than or equal to 2. Can I say less than 2? Because we know that this value is less than 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. That is what we have proven just now here. Right? So we can go back now and substitute here 2. Can I say 3 lambda is less than 4, or can I say lambda is less than 4 by 3? So do we have any option where we have lambda less than 4 by 3? Let us check that. We have an option. So that's our solution. That's one tick mark there. Okay, fine. So let me repeat this or summarize this. We have been given the point. What we have to understand here is it's a combination of quadratic equations combined with triangle properties, just fundamentals, only the basic concepts, but we have to understand and apply them. Okay, fine. So we have been given ABC are A, B and C are the sides of a triangle ABC such that x square minus 2 into A plus B plus C into X plus 3 lambda into AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0 has real roots. Real roots. That's the point. See, every word in the problem is giving you a hint. A, B, C are sides of a triangle. A minus B is less than C, B minus C is less than A, C minus C is less than B. Then real roots b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0. So everything is hidden there. The formulas are already there in the problem. We have to understand that. So we have taken the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. We found out the values of a, b, c. Then we found out the discriminant. Discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. We simplified that. We got 3 lambda minus 2 less than or equal to a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca. Now we have to get a value attached to this. That means an integer which is greater than this. So for that we went back and we leveraged the properties of triangle, fundamental properties of triangle, that in a triangle two sides are greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side, or difference of two sides is less than the third side. You take any one of the property, you will be arriving at that the max value it can take is 2. So a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca is less than 2. So can I go ahead and now say 3 lambda minus 2 is less than 2 and 3 lambda is less than 4, or lambda less than 4 by 3. So this is one question which was asked in I think 2006. There you can see. So that's the one question I thought of sharing that with you. Thanks for your time and support. Till I catch you again, keep smiling and sharing. Bye for now.